Hello, this video is for hair professionals and salon owners about a revolutionary technique called the microstrand technology, where one human hair at a time is added onto this. That becomes this, the finished product. These are custom made for your clients, blended between your own client's hair. And here's the key point. It's the only method that keeps your client's hair safe and healthy, where they can't see or feel anything. Now, there was a book written about this technology because it's been growing. And this book is offered for free for a limited time to hair professionals and salon owners. All you have to do is click the button below and you'll get this free book and learn all the details. Plus, we will also include a video too. Thank you.